Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the hardware and software ready. Update Windows and Armory Crate so drivers match the Ally's firmware. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, charge the Xbox controller above 50% to avoid interruptions while pairing. Make sure you turn off nearby Bluetooth devices that could steal the pairing. Finally, enable Bluetooth on the Ally from the system tray and put the console into discoverable mode so the controller can find it immediately. Now you'll connect the controller. If using Bluetooth, hold the Xbox button, then press and hold the small pair button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light flashes. On the Ally, click Add Bluetooth Device and select it. If latency is a concern, plug a USB-C cable to get instant, reliable input and charge at the same time. Once connected, open the Xbox Accessories app to update controller firmware and adjust button mapping so games behave predictably. You're almost done. Verify everything works in Steam Big Picture or Windows Gamepad settings and calibrate if needed. If the controller isn't responding, remove it from Bluetooth devices, reboot the Ally, then pair again. This clears faulty caches. For persistent latency or drift, switch to a high-quality USB-C cable or a USB Bluetooth dongle with lower latency. These fixes address signal problems and make gameplay smooth. If the firmware update failed, repeat it via the Xbox Accessories app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.